Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp messages to IndiaMART leads. So I am a business owner, and to promote my business and to generate leads for my business, I am using IndiaMART. Now my objective is that as soon as a lead will be generated through IndiaMART, then I want to send a personalized message on WhatsApp to these leads. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do without the requirement of any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video, as I told you, we are going to learn that how we can automatically send WhatsApp messages to our IndiaMART leads. So let's suppose I am running a real estate agency, and to promote that I am using IndiaMART. So basically I am using IndiaMART to generate the leads for my business. So as soon as a lead will be generated through IndiaMART, my objective is to send personalized WhatsApp message to that lead. In order to do that, I will have to set up a connection between my IndiaMART account and WhatsApp. And because they are not natively connected, so I am going to use Pabbly Connect for that. So Pabbly Connect is going to set up the connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp, that too without the requirements of any coding and programming skills, to automate the process of sending WhatsApp messages to each of the IndiaMART lead. Alright, so let's get started. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, you can just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. You will be able to create your free new account just in 2 minutes with this. And also when you will do that, you will be receiving 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as I am already an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in option. We are on the all apps section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. So to create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, you will be able to find all your workflows which you have created. And to save these workflows, you can also create separate folders on the same dashboard. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. Let's do that quickly. And here a dialog box is appeared in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So I'm going to give a name over here. Send automated WhatsApp messages to IndiaMART leads. After giving the name to my workflow, here we have a list of folders which we can select. So I'm going to select automations for IndiaMART leads as my folder, because I want to save all the workflows which are related to IndiaMART leads in this specific folder. Then I will click on create, and my workflow will get saved in the folder which I have selected. And over here you can see a new screen is open. It contains extremely important windows: trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles or the entire building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead from IndiaMART for my real estate agency, then I want to send a WhatsApp message to that lead, that too automatically. For that, here I'm going to take IndiaMART in my trigger, and for sending automated WhatsApp messages with the help of a template, I am using WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to take WhatsApp Cloud API in my action step. When we are going to set up the connection between these two applications, we can clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is generated through IndiaMART, then only a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead in the customized format with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. Otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating the automation step by step. So first of all, to start our workflow, we have to go towards our trigger step, and we have to select our trigger application. Now over here, our trigger application will be IndiaMART. So we'll simply select that. And then we have to select the trigger event. Now, trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. You can see we have only one single option as trigger event, that is new leads. So we have to select that. That means now whenever a new lead will be generated from IndiaMART, the response will be automatically as well as instantly captured inside Pabbly Connect. Now as we have done that, here we have received a webhook URL, and also we have received some instructions. We have to follow these instructions step by step carefully to set up the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. So let's get started. We just have to copy the webhook URL first of all, because it is going to act as a bridge, and it is going to transfer the data of new leads from IndiaMART towards Pabbly Connect. As we have copied the webhook URL, then I will tell you exactly what you are supposed to. So first of all, you need to log into your IndiaMART account. and I've already done that, so I'm going to take you towards my account. So over here we are on IndiaMART account. So as you know, IndiaMART is one of the India's largest online B2B marketplace, connecting buyers with suppliers across a wide range of industries. And basically IndiaMART facilitates business transactions by providing a platform where manufacturers, wholesalers, exporters, retailers, even the buyers can communicate. Sellers can showcase their products and services to potential buyers, and in this way the business runs smoothly. The platform is widely used by small and medium-sized enterprises as well as large corporations to find new business opportunities, negotiate deals, and expand their market reach. So here, if you are using IndiaMART, this automation is really very helpful for you, because with this you will be able to connect with your leads in the personalized formats, that too without any manual efforts. So as soon as the lead will be generated for your business from IndiaMART, you will be able to send them in personalized WhatsApp messages, and for that you do not have to budge your finger even. With this automation, you will be able to effortlessly tell your customers, your potential clients, about your services, about your products. You can tell them about the offers which you want to provide if they are going to place the order with you, and much more. Okay, so now for building the automation, of course we have to set up the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect first of all. So for that you have to go towards the lead manager option from the left side given over here on the dashboard. After coming on lead manager, here we have 3 lines, that is the menu section. We have to select that. And here we have the option of import export leads. Now after coming on this option, we can see we have 3 other options. So among these options we have to select push API. Now after coming over here, you have to select a source. So we have multiple options over here. Among these options I'm going to go for other, but you can select any of the source according to your choice. Okay, then as we have selected that, here you have to select the CRM platform name that you want to connect with IndiaMART. Currently, because I want to connect Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART, so I will select the name as Pabbly Connect over here. As we have done that, now the next thing is the webhook listener URL. That means in this field we have to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Then you will simply click on save details, and as we have done that, now it is asking us please select one of the options, that for which reason you are setting up this connection. You can see we have multiple options over here. I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. I feel that I can permanently save the leads from IndiaMART and view later. The user interface is easy to use and helps me manage lead effectively, and other options. So you can select any of these options given. I'm going to select the user interface is easy to use and help me manage leads effectively, and then I will simply click on click to generate OTP. As you have done that, here we can see that our webhook is activated. This means that the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect. Over here it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now when we will do a test submission by creating a new lead inside IndiaMART, then the response of that lead with all the details will be quickly and instantly captured inside Pabbly Connect. So in order to do the test submission, I'm going to open incognito mode. I will open IndiaMART account, and from a user's account I am going to submit the response, that means a query, as a lead, so that the response could be captured. So I have opened IndiaMART account in incognito mode, and over here I am logged in with the user's ID, and I'm going to send a response with this ID, with this account, so that the lead could be generated in our IndiaMART account which we have connected with Pabbly Connect. Okay. So now first of all, I've already searched my business name over here, which we have connected with Pabbly Connect already. And on this business, I'm going to send a response. I'm going to click on contact supplier. But before that, over here, if the user is new, he'll have to enter the details in order to create their profile. Once the user will do that, their response will be captured towards IndiaMART, and the details will be automatically sent when they are going to simply click on this contact supplier. So I have already created my profile and I have entered all the details over here. So I will just click on contact supplier. And here it is asking us write your message over here. So whatever query the lead wants to send towards my business, they can enter over here. So because I am using a leads account, so I will simply enter a simple query. Let's suppose here is the query. I am interested in purchasing a residential property in Bhopal. Please provide me with more information on the available options, including pricing, property, size, and amenities. So here I'm going to click on submit, and I will click, and here the GST number is optional, so I'm directly going to click on submit option, and the response is submitted. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect to see whether we have received the response of this lead or not. And we can see that yes, the response is already received. In this response, here we have the status as success. We can see here we have the query ID. Also we have the subject over here, that is a default subject which we are going to receive every time. Here we have the state of the lead, the name of the lead as smart lead. Here we have the phone number. Okay, here we have the email address of this lead which he has submitted while creating the profile inside IndiaMART. Okay, we have received the country, the company name. Over here when we'll scroll down, here we have received the exact query which he has submitted. I am interested in purchasing a residential property in Bhopal. Okay, and in this way, we can see that our connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful, because whichever query the lead has submitted, we have received that along with all the details of that lead. Okay. Now, once we have set up the connection, I'm going to take you towards IndiaMART as well to check whether the lead is created there or no. And here we'll go towards the lead manager. And over here you can see that yes, the lead is generated and the query is received over here. Okay, this means that our connection is fine. Now, once we have set up the connection successfully between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, we are going to receive the response of each and every lead which is generated in our IndiaMART account. Okay. Now, when we have received the response, our objective is to send automated WhatsApp message to this lead. In order to do that, because I'm using WhatsApp Cloud API for sending template messages on WhatsApp to these leads, so I'm going to set up the connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So we'll move forward towards our action step, and our action application over here will be, so WhatsApp Cloud API has official API access of WhatsApp, which helps us to send WhatsApp messages to all our clients, leads or customers without much efforts, with the specific templates in the customized format. And also it avoids the risk of getting blocked for sending multiple messages because it already has the official API access. Now, in the place of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can definitely use any other API as well, such as Vati or AI Sensi. Okay. Now, when we have selected action application, we have to select the action event as well. That will be send template message. Let's click on connect. Now, to build a connection with WhatsApp Cloud API account, we have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. So if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. But to create a new connection, you need to provide token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So how are you going to get all these details? For that, we just have to go towards WhatsApp Cloud API account, which is under Meta for Developers. So I'm going to open Meta for Developers, and over here we have, and from the left side we have the option of API setup. So this is app dashboard of WhatsApp Cloud API, from where we can find API setup from the left side. After coming over here we have temporary access token, we have the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So one by one we will simply copy these details and paste it inside Pabbly Connect. This is the temporary access token which I'm using in order to set up the connection. But if you want to learn how to set up permanent access token, for that here we have the option of learn more. You can click on this hyperlink. It is going to take you towards Pabbly forum page, where all the instructions are given step by step, that how you have to generate the token and how you have to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. Also, we have a separate video which is already attached over there. Also, we have a separate video on this, so you can go and learn the steps from that video as well. The same video is attached in the forum page as well. Here, first of all, I'm going to copy my temporary access token. I will paste it over here. Then we have the phone number ID, and finally the WhatsApp business account ID. So we have entered all the details, and now I'm going to click on save. As we have done that, the connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now we have to move forward towards entering the details over here. First of all, it is asking us the template name. As I told you, we are sending this message in the customized format to all our leads, so that we do not have to change the specific details one by one, because we are automating this process. For doing that, we have to create a specific template inside WhatsApp Cloud API. And here you have to select the name of that template from the drop down. So when you will go back towards WhatsApp Cloud API, and when you will scroll down, here you will see the option of a hyperlink. To create your own message template, click on this hyperlink. When you will do that, it is going to take you towards message template section of WhatsApp Cloud API. You can see we have multiple templates. I have created them for different purposes, and this is the template which I have created for sending WhatsApp messages to my IndiaMART leads. Okay, to create your own template, you need to click on this create template button, and you will be able to create your template very easily. First of all, I'm going to open my template. I'm going to show you how I have created that. So here I have given the name to my template as IndiaMART leads. Here I have the text that is in the header. Thank you for your inquiry on IndiaMART. Okay, here we have hello name. Thank you for reaching out to us through IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our services and would love to assist you further. We have received your query and our team is already reviewing your requirements. You can expect a detailed response from us shortly. We are looking forward to help you find the best solution for your needs. Thanks and regards, Prime Properties. Prime Properties is the name of my real estate agency. I've entered it, and over here, because I want to send customized messages to all my clients, so here I have used a variable for the name. Okay, when we will apply variable inside our template, we will be able to automatically change the details of that specific place without any manual efforts. So because I have used variable in the template for name, so the name is going to replace automatically with each and every new lead. In this way, I will be able to send automated WhatsApp messages to all my IndiaMART leads with their name. Okay. So you can use as many variables in your template as you want according to your choice. Once you will complete creating your template, you also have to send it for approval, and when it will be approved, then you will be able to use it in order to send automated WhatsApp messages. Now because my template is already approved, so I can use it for sending messages. So I will go back towards Pabbly Connect. Over here my template name is already selected correctly, IndiaMART leads. As you will select your template name, the language code and the template ID will also be selected automatically. Then we have to just move forward. Here we have to enter the recipient mobile number and the body field. So on which number you want to send this message? I want to send the message to my IndiaMART leads, and because we are creating an automation, so we are not going to replace the number of our leads every time whenever a lead will be generated. We want it to be done automatically. In that case, what we have to do, instead of entering the details, instead of entering the number manually, we will simply map that number over here. So as you know, in our earlier response, we have already received the number and all of the details of the lead. So here I have searched the number from my previous response and it has redirected me towards the number which I have received. So I will simply map that number over here. Now when we have mapped this number, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, it is going to replace automatically. That means whenever a new lead will be generated through IndiaMART, automatically this number which we have mapped in this field is going to replace with the new number of that new lead. In this way, we do not have to do anything manually once we will set up this connection, and we have mapped the details, so the data will automatically get replaced in the fields. Now the next thing which we have to enter is the body field. In this field, we need to enter the values which we want to be there in the place of the variables. So as I told you that we have used some variables in our template to make the data dynamic. Over here we have to enter the values for that variable. Because I have only used a single variable in my template, that is for name, so I will simply enter the value for the name. So the value for the name will be the name of the lead which we have received in our response. So I'm going to search for name over here, and it has redirected me towards the response, and this is the name of the lead. So I will simply map the name and done. This is the value for my variable. If you are using more than one variables, then you will have to enter the values for each of them. As we have done that, we will simply click on save and send test request button. And here you can see we have received the response. That means a WhatsApp message is sent on the number which we have entered over here. So let's go and check whether the message is received or no. So here the message is saying, thank you for your inquiry on IndiaMART. Hello smart lead. You can see that systematically the name is appeared over here in the message with the name of the lead. Thank you for reaching out to us through IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our services and would love to assist you further. We have received your inquiry and our team is already reviewing your requirements. You can expect a detailed response from us shortly. We look forward to helping you find the best solution for your needs. Thanks and regards, Prime Properties. So here the message is sent to the lead. Okay, now this means that our connection is absolutely successful. So now whenever a lead will be generated through IndiaMART, a WhatsApp message will be sent to that same lead in the personalized format. Once we have set up the connection successfully, let's check the workflow whether it is running fine or not. So I will open once again IndiaMART account in incognito mode, and I'm going to send another response as lead. Okay, so once again I've opened the account, and over here I'm going to click on contact supplier. This time the query will be changed because I've already created a profile one, so I cannot change the name of the lead or the details of the lead. But when we are going to receive new leads, automatically the details will be changed because we are going to receive the response from different profiles, of course. Now here let's say the messages. This is a test query. Okay, we'll submit the query, and as we have done that, here once again I'm going to click on submit, and the response is sent towards the business owner, that is to us. So I'm going to go towards WhatsApp once again. And over here we have once again received the message because currently we have sent this response from the same ID. Therefore we have received the same name over here because the lead is same. But when we are going to receive multiple leads, the message will be sent to these leads in the customized and the personalized format with their own name. Okay, so here our workflow is running absolutely fine. So let's quickly summarize what we have done. We have simply set up a connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp Cloud API in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be received through IndiaMART for our business, then automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that same lead, that too in the personalized format with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. Once again, if you want, you can also take any other API application over here for sending WhatsApp messages such as AI Sensei or Wati. So I hope this automation is helpful for you and it is clear to you. You will be able to automatically connect with your customers by sending them personalized WhatsApp messages. Along with this, you can also send your brochures, your product catalogs, or even discount offers in the messages. Okay, so that's it in the video. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, and also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.